Hello mga friends, this is Alpha. Welcome back sa my channel. Ayan, papakita ko sa inyo guys ang aking exfoliating bath soap. This is coffee grounds. This is oatmeal. And this is pink salt. Today guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano gawin ang mga exfoliating natural bath soap like this one. Ayan. Okay, so let's start making soap. Let's start making soap. Check natin ang ating recipe. For our coconut oil, we need 8 ounces. 8 ounces of coconut oil. Ang coconut oil ay very solid, so i-melt natin ito. For our palm oil, guys, we need 8 ounces also. 8 ounces palm oil and 8 ounces of coconut oil. You can just combine this and then i-melt natin guys ang ating solid oil and butters. Okay, i-melt natin guys ang ating solid coconut oil and palm oil. For our olive oil, we need 11 ounces. So, we'll weigh our olive oil. Kailangan natin 11 ounces for this batch. For sunflower, we need 4 ounces. Ihalo na natin ang ating sunflower sa olive oil. And we need 4 ounces. Castor oil, we need 1 ounce lang. Castor oil ang nagbibigay bubbly sa ating soap. Add natin ang castor oil together with all our oils. This time, we will measure our rice water. So we need our rice water, we need 12.6 ounce. Ayan, medyo Matigas na siya, galing sa freezer. Kapag hindi kayo confident sa paggawa ng lye water, the best way is yung inyong distilled water or milk, or just like what I did, rice water, ifo-frozen nyo siya gaya nito, and then at ang lye ay hindi siya magiging very hot. For the sodium hydroxide, we need 4.5 4.5. Kailangan eksakto. 4.5. Okay. We need gloves. Kailangan din natin guys ang protection sa ating mata. Now we will mix our lye sa ating rice water. So, tutunawin natin ang lye. Sa pamamagitan ng ice cube ay hindi ito mag-create ng fumes. So, it's very safe to mix the lye together with our water kapag ito ay malamig or ice cubes. Make sure na mahalo natin at gradual lang nating ihalo-halo ang ating lye. Ayan guys. Ihalo natin ng mabuti hanggang sa lahat ng ating lye ay totally dissolved. So, hindi mainit ang ating lye water or ating rice water. Gagamit ako ng strainer para make sure na walang buo-buo na lye water sa ating base oil. So, stick blend natin ito hanggang ang ating mixture kapag ganito na yung kanyang consistency and nagkikreate na ng trace, then pwede na natin ihalo ang ating essential oil. Okay. So, our fragrance oil is herbal essence from bumbleberry. So, 2 ounces of fragrance oil. Ang ating sabon ay made with all natural ingredients at wala tayong gagamitin ng mga dye or colorants. So, we'll make this all natural. Our first exfoliating soap, coffee grounds. So, ilagay natin ang coffee grounds sa bottom ng ating mold. Then, pour natin ito ng ating Very thick na ang ating mixture. Very thick na ang ating soap. Lalagyan ko siya ng layer bago natin patungan pa ng another lalagyan pa natin ng, we'll put some toppings na ground coffee. Ayan guys, ang ating first exfoliating bath soap, coffee ground. So, optional guys, kung gusto ninyong marami o konti. Natin para mag-mix. Our next exfoliating soap, gagamit tayo ng Oatmeal. Again, pwede ninyong ilagay ang oatmeal i-mix na sa ating base oil. Or you can do like what I'm doing. Ayan. Pwede rin ninyong i-ground ang oatmeal. Pwede rin ninyong i-mix gaya nito. Lagyan din natin sa middle. Kumalat na. Thick na ang ating butter mixture. Oops. Then, lagyan natin guys sa topping ating oatmeal. Pwede rin namang i-ground gaya nito kasi ito naman ay exfoliating soap. So again, itap natin para dumikit ang ating oatmeal. Our last exfoliating soap is Himalayan soap. So gagamit tayo ng pink salt. Ayan guys. Kung wala kayong pink salt, pwede naman yung sea salt. And then we will pour our butter. Yan, thick na siya. Still okay. May halo-halo pa rin siya. Ayan guys. And then, tuwan ko din siya ng layer. Lagyan ko siyang sa middle. And then, papatungan ulit natin siya ng butter. Pwede Pwede pa natin lagyan, guys. This is nice. Let's put more pink salt. Tap natin ng konti para dumikit. So you can put as many as you want. Pero make sure na hindi super sumobra. Ayan, guys. So dapat enough lang. This is now our beautiful exfoliating soap. Ayan. So we'll be back, guys, after 24 hours for the unmolding. It's unmolding time. After 24 hours, guys, titignan na natin ang ating sabon. Let's start with our coffee ground. Let's try one. Careful. Woo! Wow! So cute! Ito, guys, ang ating all natural coffee ground exfoliating soap. Wow! Himalayan pink salt. Okay. Ooh! Wow! Ayan, guys. It's beautiful. Parang dab. Ang size. Oatmeal. Okay. Guys. Sometimes mahirap, pero it's cute. Ooh. There. Woo! It's like food. Look at this. Diba? Ang gandang pangregalo, guys. If you like this video, guys, please don't forget to say your comments and subscribe na rin. Okay, let's see this again. Sorry for my dog. Nagbo-bark na naman ang aking dog. There! Woo! Super nice! After 6 weeks, pwede na natin gamitin itong ating exfoliating soap. Look at this! Is it beautiful?